Excitement grew as each collection was displayed during this year's fashion weekend. The show consisted of 5 collections from 6 different local designers who prepared the night's clothes. One of the designers and the event organizer was happy to see fashion growing in the city.
Well, Lethbridge is rad because everyone sort of has an appreciation for vintage and reworking sort of garments. We saw a lot with the people in the crowd here today.
Another designer from the show is excited that people are gaining interest not only in fashion, but expressing themselves through clothes.
I find it so fascinating that everyone can put their own spin on their own outfit and really express their individuality, and that inspires me to want to express mine.
All 5 designers who had collections prepared for the night sold off some of their pieces to help contribute to the scene here in Lethbridge. Next year's show will be the 10th anniversary. This was the first year it was held at the NMAC Center and is a big step in holding future events.
It just goes to show that we have more and more people interested and more people willing to do the work to get that fashion industry in Lethbridge.
Finding their passion and vision for their designs comes from many diverse places and materials.
Yeah, a million different things. I travel a lot, so my family travels a lot, and so oftentimes travel. But I'm like a textile junkie, so if I see this textile, for example, I'm like, oh, have to touch it, need to make something out of it. So it's usually a textile thing where I fall in love with a certain fabric and then create from there.
Each designer is unique and brings their own style and twist to the Lethbridge fashion industry. Being in the community can help influence the designer's pieces.
You know what, there's so much inspiration around us daily. I think you just have to soak it all in. And I find inspiration all the time, like music, movies, traveling, going to the park even in Lethbridge, it's everywhere.
Canyo credits the night's success to the amount of interest in attending the event and crowd participation throughout the night. They hope to get a larger audience for next year's 10th anniversary celebration.